Hi, hello, welcome back to my channel. So in this video we will be looking into updating the user card in the Python automation test. Stay tuned. Right, updating a card expects, because if right now there's nothing in the card, you get an error, and that error is it says because the value of module is a null. We need to trace this one back and see what's happening. Okay, yeah, it's a null. Okay, I understand why. We are going to update a card. Okay, so because there is no card that exists for the user, so I'm guessing that's why there's that error. Let's create a card with one quantity. Right now, let's update that card. For that particular user, we are going to update the card, and we are going to update the quantity to 500. And I think it's gonna say user is a null. Either I understand or I don't understand this problem. So let's go into the backend, because I've had this thing before. Excuse me. Where it says it's a null. So if you go into the card controller, we're going to update. So this is it. We want to update, and this one is being added. So the user coming in, you see, I'm printing that thing out. It says user coming in. You see, it does supply the user ID. So why is it saying that module.card? Okay. So it's saying that this card, the username from that one has no, it's a null, right? So because when we say return response for bad request builder, if not card dot equals to this I, so this thing is okay, but this thing here is a null. Okay, and if we look at this, and if we look at we got username here. The question is, okay, I think I understand, because you know, I don't think we should do this if statement here. I think we shouldn't do this if statement here. We are trying to say that the username in card should be equal to this username coming here. Okay, yeah, I do think we have to. Let's see if we can log the user, because then we need to find out why is it that, because if we have a card, a user card in there, then there should be a user card something. So either the code we've written is not quite the way we want. So we got the card. Let's stop the card. Stop card. And let's restart the card. So we're restarting the card, and then we want to say that, right, not that this will make any difference, but let's add a card. Service unavailable. I hate it when this happens. We got the card started, but the gateway says service not available, and that's because it hasn't yet registered with the card service. It says it's not available, and normally that means I have to restart, right? Okay, let's restart the gateway. Gateway back on. Let's hope that it picks it up, and let's go back to the postman. Okay, I think we do have a cart, so let's just update it. We do have an add cart. Let's update it. 500. Okay, I think that's expected at the moment, right? Let's go into cart. Okay, good. We want to get more info because we are logging the other one and we are logging see this one is a null. So that's what he's saying, that this one is a null. So the what we are passing is okay. What it is got already there is not, it's a null. So we need to investigate how we are passing on the response. So go back to where is the response? The situation like this, we need a response with it. All right, so when we create a card, what response do we get? The response we get is this, right? For one, let me just say, when we create a card, we get sorry, add a card, we get this response. Okay, this is what we get, and it seems like this response does not return anything to do with username. So we have that, but the data contains no username, so it is understandable that it's coming up with this error. Okay, ID, let me see if I can put this one here, and then this one, let me put this one, definitely have a username, but this one doesn't. And then the response, cart item response, quantity price. Okay, let's see if I can put this one here. Let's get rid of private, and let's get rid of this one. Let's put a comma here. Let's copy this one. Let's go into here, double price. This should be big, this small. I'll sort it out in a minute. Okay, go back to here. Why do I have a double there? Okay, solve this problem as well. Double, big, this small. That is that means there's going to be a problem somewhere. I think I may be able to just restart this one. I can't remember if I updated anything elsewhere. I didn't update anything elsewhere, did I? Okay, yeah, as expected. So you got the price and then quantity, and then the 0. I think we can put a comma here and put item dot get username. Okay, and hopefully that is fine. Go into run and just start again. I might have to stop the gateway. I'm gonna wait until it comes up with that error, right? So let's hope nothing goes wrong. So let's see if we can do this again. Let's add a cart. Okay, service is unavailable. Let's go back. Go to the gateway. If you go into the gateway, we're gonna stop the gateway. Once we stop the gateway, we can restart. we've restarted the gateway, so hopefully this will be a problem. No problem. So let's start the card then. Okay, now the username is a null, but we got a username 10 there. It shouldn't be a null. We have to solve that problem. Then if we just try to delete, of course there's going to be an update, there's going to be an error. 500, I suspected. So if we go to gateway, it's gonna say it's a null, isn't it? So cat, it's gonna say it's a null. So is it because it's a null, which is true? But we still haven't solved the problem, but we've got somewhere. We've got this one here, the response. We have an item response. We got username. This okay, username, go back to where it was. Username should be the username we are passing on here, because this is a response to. The response to her is only accepting this, so why don't we pass on the username to the response to as well when we are using it? Because we are passing, when we make a call to the response, we are passing the cat, right? So let's go to where we were before, where we are making use of the response to, and let's just go back to square one again. So we got a username, right? Then we are doing, I don't think we should do this here. I don't think we should do this here. I think we should do it at this point. When we pass, what we can do is pass the username and that here, right? And then we can say because in this one we are just saying take this, and of course it's a null, because in the cart, when we pass the cart, we are not passing, but we are not passing the user, so we need to update that one here. So the problem was that we were checking if the user exists here when we should have done it in the service. So I have moved that bit to the service. So I'm checking, I'm going to find the user, right, that exists and all that stuff, and do all that stuff, and that should be fine. And then yeah, so this is what I've done on the update, just a little bit more further, got a little bit more further down, and it works fine. So I've got a cart. Let me just get a cart. This is the user cart. The quantity of this product is 2. Let's see if I want to add more quantity, if this will work. So let's update the quantity of this product again to 2 more. Okay, it says it's done it. Let's see if that is okay. It says 2. Let's see, items. It says 2. Okay. Yeah, it's updating it to whatever we give it. Yeah, let's update it to 1. Get there is 1. Quantity is 1. This should be also 1. So it updates it to whatever you update it, right? All right, I've run out of time, so I've got to end the video here. We will pick it up in the next round. See you then.